If your business is not showing up on Google when someone nearby searches, you're invisible. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create a Google business profile that actually gets you found, step by step. Google is the #1 platform people use to find local businesses. Profiles listed there get up to 5 times more views than those without. Having a profile also helps you appear on Google Maps and in search results when someone nearby is looking for services like yours. One of my friends runs a small phone repair shop. After setting up his profile, he saw a 35% increase in walk-in customers without spending a single rupee on ads. The best part is, you don't any tech skills, just follow these steps with me. Move on to google.com/business and sign in with your Google account. This is also possible that Google has already created your business listing automatically. To check it, just type your business name. If your business appears, just select it and click on Manage button. Otherwise, click on Continue. Now you see 3 options. If your business has a physical office or location, then click on Local Store. If you are an online store, select that option, or for services, Business, select Service option. Now enter your business location. This is the part where most people make mistake. You can change this later, but this is the primary category which affects rankings, and select one that best describe you. Now write your complete address, phone number, and website address, if available, and click Next. If you do, have a business website, you will find a video at the end to get a free professional website set up for your business. Now you have to accept Google terms and click Continue. It's time to verify your profile. You can choose any option that you are comfortable with. If you choose phone or email verification, you will get a verification code. Just add it here. Otherwise, if you continue with video verification, make sure you record your video in one single shot and it is not longer than 2 minutes. Now, add your services for your business. Depending on your selected category, Google may have some services already selected and suggest you some services. You have to select services you provide. Now at this stage, we are going to add our business hours. You just select your opening days and hours of your working. If you leave it open 24/7, then it will result in more leads. Now move on to the next part, which is writing a description. You have to include keywords in this description, but do not add too much keywords. Also, do not add any contact number and other information. The final step is to add photos for your business. According to Google, profiles with photos have 42% more requests and website visits from customers, so do not skip this. Also, do not add generic stock photos. Just add real images. That's it. Your profile is now created, and you're officially on the map. But here's something most businesses don't realize. Creating the profile is only the first step. If you don't update it, post regularly, or manage your reviews, you're missing the real power of it. In the next video, I'll show you how to optimize your profile so it ranks higher and brings you actual customers without ads. So make sure to subscribe and comment "Profile ready" if you just created yours.